Hi, I'm Jill Ovnick, and thank you for shopping at your local health food store and picking up August's Healthy Facts. We're going to be making some great recipes today. Let's get started. We're going to be making some vegan sausages today, some Italian sausages that kind of look like bratwurst, and they're really easy to make. The first thing you want to do is get your steamer apparatus ready because it's going to be put together really quickly. So start your water boiling. Okay, the next thing you want to do is start your food processor. If you make it in a food processor, you don't have to, but it just makes it a little bit quicker and easier. And this is a fun, easy way to chop your garlic, is get the machine running and then drop the garlic in. Okay, then we're going to add the pinto beans. And pinto beans are really, really good for you. A lot of antioxidants and phytochemicals. We're going to mash this up here. It'll continue to mash as we pour in the rest of the ingredients. We use a little bit of coconut oil, but you can use whatever kind of oil that you like. And then nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is fabulous. It lends a really bold and cheesy flavor. So I really highly recommend you, if you haven't tried using it much, that you start using nutritional yeast. It's great on popcorn. It has a lot of vitamin B12. Then we have a little soy sauce, or tamari. And this product is the Vital Wheat Gluten, and it's really easy to find, and it's going to help really bind this all together well. And then we're going to do the seasonings. And I would say the fennel is the only thing that's a little bit tricky, because if your fennel isn't already crushed, you're going to want to use a mortar and pestle, such as this, or you can use a coffee grinder and a cup of cold broth of choice. So we're going to mix this up really well and put it in a bowl, and then I'll be back with you in a sec. Well, we've done the mixing, and this kind of turns into a dough-like consistency. So I have my 6 sheets of tin foil ready to go. And we're just going to shape this dough and then steam it. And you'll just be very surprised how it turns out really nicely, and it tastes a lot like sausage. Okay, I divided the dough into 6 even parts, or I'm kind of in the process of doing that. And then you see, just kind of mess with the dough and roll it. See, it's very pliable. And it'll hold this shape once it's steamed and cooked for a while. And then you'll just roll this up, kind of like a Tootsie Roll, holding the ends in if you want to, and there it is. Here we have the sausages in the steamer ready to go. It takes about 40 minutes, and they'll be pretty firm. It's really easy. Today we're going to make a gingery summer salad using goji berries, which we're featuring in the Did You Know section of this month's Healthy Facts. Goji berries are a neuroprotective superstar. They're traditionally consumed to heal kidney complaints and cleanse the blood, and they have a rich healing history. So we're going to try to put some more goji berries into our diet. Okay, so for the salad, we're just going to put all the ingredients in a big bowl. So this required a little bit of chopping. This is 2 cups of cucumber, and I seeded the cucumber before I chopped it, just something that I did. You don't need to. And then some celery, some organic tomatoes, which I cut half on the lengthwise, an orange bell pepper that was chopped, the goji berries we already talked about. Look at all these beautiful colors. You know, if you eat for all the colors of the rainbow, you're going to be sure and get all of the antioxidants and the phytochemicals and the vitamins and the minerals. There's some nice blueberries, adding some more beautiful color. Then we're putting in a little bit of mint, or you can use basil. And then we're going to make our little bit of a dressing here. So for the dressing, I just grated the ginger using this cheese grater, but you can also blend the whole thing in a blender. I like a lot of ginger, so I used you could just peel the ginger, the brown part off. You can use a little knife to scrape it off, or you can just eat the brown part. It's okay. And I store my ginger in the refrigerator. So this just is a little bit of pure maple syrup or coconut nectar, the tamari or Bragg's liquid aminos, a little bit of brown rice vinegar, some lime juice, and then salt and pepper to taste. So we're just going to mix all this up, pour it on, and stir it up, and we will have a beautiful salad. It looks beautiful, has all the colors. It's just a nice, light, refreshing salad for summer. This last recipe is just a simple pasta salad. 4 ingredients. Use a nice rotini pasta and cook it. And when I was cooking the pasta, I put some garlic cloves right in the water, which is just kind of a trick when you're cooking pasta. I usually try to throw something, if I'm cooking vegetables, throw them in right while the water's boiling. And I bought this frozen pack of vegetables just to make it really, really simple and just, you know, on a night when you're really busy. But you could do fresh vegetables as well, just chop them up quick and get them in there with the pasta. Just knowing the cooking times of the vegetables will allow you to make a great, easy dinner really, really fast. And then a can of artichoke hearts that are quartered, and your favorite low-fat dressing. So it's that simple for nice pasta salad, something to take to a picnic, or just a light dinner with a salad and crunchy bread. Look how pretty this is. It's colorful and super, super easy. Enjoy these recipes, and thank you for picking up Healthy Facts, and thank you for shopping at your local health food store.